Welcome again. In the last video, we know about Cloud IAM and what is the difference between the three rules: viewer and editor and owner. And we will know how to add users in the next videos through this course. So in this video, we will know how to use Cloud Shell. First of all, let's activate our Cloud Shell through this button and wait a couple of seconds until it loads. As we know, Cloud Shell is let you run commands through your projects, and you can run command inside your GCP projects. So as we know, Cloud Shell lets you run all of your shell command without leaving the console and comes with pre-installed command line tools. So after activating our Cloud Shell, you can see these messages, which is welcome to your Cloud Shell, and you can see your project ID and your Cloud IAM identity access management user. So first of all, just we need to run our first command, which is gcloud authentication list, just to view our authentication credentials. So let's write gcloud auth list and click on enter. So as you can see, there's your account, active account, and your credentials of your account. And as I said before, I'm using Quick Labs for this course as an instructor. So as you know, to run command line through Google Cloud Platform, you have a GCP toolkit, which is G Cloud. This is our toolkit through Cloud Shell and Google Cloud Platform. Cloud Shell comes pre-installed with specific command line tools. The main GCP toolkit is gcloud, which is used for many tasks on the platform, like resource management and user authentication. So, first of all, Cloud Shell also comes with the standard Unix command line tool, and text editors like Nano. So, in this video, we will try to run some of command lines to create a file and editing it. So to create a file, we have a keyword called touch. So let's write touch and then the name of the file. Let's say Madahitu. This is my nickname, and the file type .text, and click on enter. So it's created the file. Just to make sure we have with the file is created, we have to list our directory. So let's type ls. Yes, as you can see, this is our file, and this is the content of the file. So we need to edit or add something inside the file, inside the text file. We have a command line called nano. So after this, write our file name, which is madahitu.txt, and then click on enter, and it will open an interface to add a content through this file. Let's say Madahitu is the nickname of Islam Midhat. Okay, to save the file, we have to click on Ctrl X plus Y or Command X plus Y. So as we can see, we have added a content to the file. To just double check that we add a content through this file, we have a keyword called cat. Cat is show us the content of the file. Then type the file name and click on enter. Yes, this is the content of the file. So that's all for command line for this video. I hope you just you have to be just familiar with this command line. We will use this command line in all the next videos through this course. To sum up or to make a recap, we know what is gcloud and what is touch, and for creating folders, and ls for listing the content of the folder of the directory, and nano for editing the content or add a content to the file, cat for shows the content of the file. Thank you for this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.